Nestled amidst the majestic Qinling Mountains lies the Louguantai Taoist Temple, a haven of tranquility and spiritual exploration. Steeped in history and mysticism, this temple beckons you on a journey through ancient Chinese traditions. Towering 24 meters tall, this statue of Laozi depicts him with a hand gesture that points towards both heaven and earth. This posture symbolizes the harmonious connection between these realms and the underlying unity of all things. The tale takes us back nearly 3,000 years when a straw tower was erected here for stargazing. In 485 BC, a purple cloud from the east was spotted, signifying the arrival of a fortunate omen at Louguantai. Shortly after, an elderly man adorned in vibrant clouds and riding a green ox made his appearance. This man was none other than Laozi, the founder of Taoism. It is believed that Laozi wrote the Tao Te Ching during a single night stay in the nearby hills, where he preached his ideas and laid the groundwork for Taoism. The preaching platform at Louguantai today is where Laozi gave his lectures on the Tao Te Ching, the holiest text of Daoism. Tao Te Ching, often translated as the classic of the way and virtue, delves into the nature of the Tao, the power of non-action, and the interconnection between the energies of the universe. It presents a way of life intended to restore harmony and tranquility. The text encourages harmonious living through objectivity, observation, and balance. The Tao Te Ching is central to both philosophical and religious conceptions of Taoism and has had a significant influence on Chinese philosophy and religious practice throughout history. About 1,300 years ago, during the Tang Dynasty, Taoism was declared China's state religion as the founding emperors of the Tang Dynasty acknowledged Laozi as their sacred ancestor. Consequently, a large complex of Taoist temples, known as Louguantai, was constructed on the site. The Louguantai Scenic area also encompasses 3 major palaces, each enshrining renowned goddesses from Chinese fairy tales. The temple complex is encircled by the Louguantai National Forest Park, celebrated for its diverse bamboo species, a rarity in northern China. It serves as an ideal summer retreat, abundant in lush trees and pristine clean water. Louguantai is not just a temple, but a living testament to Taoist culture, history, and philosophy. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where tranquility meets vitality. Whether you're a spiritual seeker, a history enthusiast, or a nature lover, Louguantai offers a unique experience that transcends time and space.